Hey, how's it going, guys? In this tutorial series, I'll be teaching you how to use Azure Form Recognizer API in Python. Alright, so the Azure Form Recognizer API is one of the AI cloud products from Microsoft Azure's product line. And using this API, we'll be able to extract text from different forms. Alright, so if we go into the products page, and if we scroll down towards the middle, I think it was the middle, yep, the middle. And these are some of the forms we can extract the information from. So some of the building models such as W2, 1099, and I think this one is form 1098, so stays right here. And other forms such as an Excel table, a receipt, a table with different layout, driver license, passport, and a couple other forms. Now I want to go into the pricing. Alright, so if we look at the pricing table, so every month you get 500 pages of free usage. And after the 500 pages usage, and based on the form type, for your customer form or invoice, then it's going to be $50 per 1,000 pages. And for other things such as receipts, passport, driver license, it's going to be $10 per 1,000 pages. And for this tutorial series, I'll be covering how to analyze and extract information from a form table. Here, let me zoom in a bit more. How to extract information from a receipt, business card, an invoice, and a driver license or ID. So this will be the 5 examples I'll be covering. Now I want to go into my address portal. And you can navigate to Microsoft Address Portal by going to portal.azure.com. If this is the first time you are using Microsoft Azure service, make sure that you sign up for a free account. And once you register for a free account, then you want to create a subscription. And within the subscription that you created, you want to create a resource group. And since I already have a subscription and a resource group created, so in the search field, I'm going to search for Form Recognizer and click on Form Recognizers. On this page, you want to create a new Form Recognizer subscription. So click on Create. Then you want to assign this instance of Form Recognizer subscription to a resource group. So here I'm going to choose my YouTube Azure Cloud Demo resource group. And for the region, choose the region that is closest to you. And I'm going to choose Japan East. Next, I want to give this subscription a name. I'll name the subscription JJ-Cloud Demo Form Recognizer. And for the pricing tier, you want to choose the free tier. And since my other resource group already subscribed to the free tier, I can only choose the SEO tier. So I'm going to choose that for now. And I can always change that back later. Now click on Review and Create. Now review the terms and conditions. And once everything is okay, then you want to click on Create. Alright, so once the deployment is complete, I want to click on Go to Resource. And that takes us to the control page, which is the control panel to manage this subscription service. And here, let me refresh the page. Alright, so here, click on Keys and Endpoint. Now I want to grab the API key, and here I'm going to copy the API key. And I'll save the API key to a JSON file. So here, create a blank file. And I'll name the file credential.json. Alright, so we're going to create basically a dictionary. And it's going to be API key. And it's going to be endpoint. Right, so here grab the endpoint address and paste that into the endpoint value and save the file. And this credential file is going to be the file you're going to read your API key and the Azure Form Recognizer endpoint. Now open your code editor. We're going to install the Azure Form Recognizer Python library. Alright, so here let me select my environment. So on your terminal, you want to type pip install Azure -AI -Form Recognizer. I forgot one thing. I need to activate the environment. Here, let me try again. Pip install Azure AI Form Recognizer. Alright, so we have installed the library. Now we can start with example number 1.